वंदे गुरुन् पदद्वन्द्वम् भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरम् नीलाम्बुजश्यामलकोमलाङ्गं सीतासमारोपितवामभागं पाणौ महासायकचारुचापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम् आपदामपहन्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नित्य पृष्ठ ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज। नित्य पृष्ठ ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज। ऑल श्री रूपानुगुरु वर्गस वैष्णवस एंड वैष्णवीस। So we are hearing Ram Katha. Last Sunday we heard how Kevat is crossing Ram Lakshman Sita Devi's Ganga river. Bhagavan also so much liked to his devotees. He never hurt his devotees, his bhaktas. In Tattva, जासु नाम सुमरत एक बारा नर उतरहि भव सिंधु अपारा। नाम लेत भव सिंधु सुखाहि करहु विचार सज्जन मन माहि। If someone one time chant his name, he can cross death and birth oceans. Just chant one name, this whole worldly water dry, ocean dry. But that proves so much lamenting to Kevat, saying you can cross me. And Kevat also speaking very strange language. But that language was so much affection. He don't know grammar or any high language, but he is so much affection. Or that affection Ram like on looking to Lakshman Janki Devi saying, find this type devotees. सुनी केवट के बैन प्रेम लपेटे अटपटे बिहसे करुणा ऐन चिताई लखन जानकी तनय। Bhagavan so happy, but same time also feel unhappy. First time my life, I ask one person, help me, bring your boat, cross me, but I am nothing to pay. So Janki Devi know Prabhu's heart, सिया पिया की जानन हारी मणि मुद्रिका मन मुदित उतारी। Janki Devi very happily her own ring, finger ring, took in hand and giving to Prabhu. Ram took this ring and giving to Kevat. Kevat floating to Ram lotus feet. Prabhu, what I not get today? Your darshan, your service, whole life I am waiting for that. Today I got. So my all shortage finished. Nothing more shortage. Or I no want anything. Your mercy, my all desire fulfill. अब कछुनाथ न चाहिए मोरे दीन दयाल अनुग्रह तोरे। By your mercy, I no need anything. Yes, when you will return, that time any prasadi give my hand, I will take. But this time, I will not take anything. After you can heard when Ram returned, that time Ramchandra took to Kevat his Pushpak Biman and bring Ajodhyas, giving Ajodhyas forever service. After Ram, Lakshman, Sita Devi and Nisad Rajguha, they are walking. Nisad, Ramchandra said to Nisad, you return. How long I will go? No any fixed date and time. So you don't come with us. But Nisad saying, at least 5-10 days give me chance. I can serve. Where you will stay, I can make some kuti, I can make some asan, bed, some serve. After that I will return. So Ramchandra see his prem, took him. They walking very short time, they return and they reach to Prayagraj. Where is Bharadwaj Muni's ashram? When Bharadwaj Muni saw Prabhu came, did pranam. Welcome, Ramchandra also pranam. Welcome, Ramchandra also pranam, and they get place. Munis give some prasad, some discussions. Bharadwaj Muni know Ram Tattva. He heard this all katha from Jagvalk Muni, and he also Ram Premis, staying Prayagraj. Prabhu's Narbat Leela asking to Bharadwaj Muni, you are staying here long time, you know whole directions. You can say me, you can tell me which direction I will go, which way I go. Then Bharadwaj Muni is smiling, or saying which way go, that is direction. Because Mahajano Jain Gata Sapanta. Jad jad achrati sreshta tadeva itro jana sajat pramanam kurute lokas tadnu vartate. Then Bharadwaj Muni say, okay. He gives some his disciple or his sishyas and saying, Prabhu, they know way. They staying in forest, they know this way, so they will show you which way you have to go. So they took Ram Lakshman, Sita Devi and Nisad, and they came Chitrakoot. Because Prayag to Chitrakoot, maybe 30-40 kilometers distance, no? When Chitrakoot came, that area's Valmiki Muni staying. Ramchandra went to Valmiki's ashram. Valmiki to much welcome. All Valmiki know Ram's all Leelas, all pastimes. Ram now doing Leela, but his Ramayan before written. All pastimes. What will Ram do? This all before his Leela written. Ramchandra asking to Valmiki's Muni, if you staying this area, you know nicely everything. So for me, tell where I can stay, which place is good for me. Valmiki Muni knows so much Tattva and Siddhant of Ram. First Valmiki Muni asking, you are saying where I will stay. But my question, you tell me where you are not staying, which place is empty without you. Then I can tell where you will stay. So you are everywhere, no? Hari Vyapak Sarvatra Samana. Ramchandra is smiling and tried to hide his sarupas, his leelas, not too much talking to Valmiki's. Then Valmiki Muni said, okay, you ask me, then I can tell where you will stay. Many, many places. जिनके श्रवण समुद्र समाना कथा तुम्हारे सुभग सरी नाना भर ही निरंतर हो ही न पूरे तिनके हृदय बसहु तुम. One place is nice place, which ear are ocean, and your katha is river. They every day drinking your kathas, but never feel, never satisfy. Like oceans. In oceans, every day, thousands rivers are meeting. But ocean never said one day, them, that rivers, don't come, I no need, I am enough, I feel happy. every day, going and going, but still ocean never satisfied. So whose ears never satisfied by your Harikathas, your pastimes, your Lila Kathas. That heart can stay, because that heart is no quarrel, no disturbance. They are so peace. They always just thirst for your kathas. So through the kathas, you entrance there. Parvishta karna andrena swanang bhava saroruham dhunoti samlam Krishna salila sajathasu. Also in Bhagavad Gita, 12th canto, this Krishna saying, Kuch bhaktas no heart I am staying, dukhesu anudvigamana sukhesu bigat ispira, beat rag bhaya krodha, bhakti man sacha me priya, samo satro cha mitre cha tatha mana pamanayo sityasno sukh dukhesu sama sang vivarjita, vihaya kaman jas sarman puman charti nispira nirmamo nirahamkara sasanti vrichati. Whose heart is not pride, no desire, no anything asking. Krishna Bhakt, like who are niskam, fully sant, no want bhogas, mochas, siddhis, no any desire. That heart you can stay. That is very good place. So this way, Valmiki Muni is showing many places. And Prabhu stayed at that place, which place like this type. Peace. So Chitrakoot is very peaceful place, full of bhaktis. So Ramchandra, that place is staying. Chitrakuta Raghunandan Uchai. Samachar Suni Suni Muni Aaye. Ramchandra make Nisad and Lakshman both making nice kutis. And Ram, Sita Devi staying that kutis. When Rishis Munis heard Raghunath came Chitrakut, they hearing about him from Valmiki's, but today directly they are looking. Thousand Rishis Munis are coming and doing pranam. They feel so happy. So Prabhu is staying Chitrakut, and this side Sumantra returned to Ajodhya. Very hard to return. Horses are not walking, but forcefully came Ajodhya. He no look anyone. He feel I lost everything. Like gambler in gambling, when losing everything, how is situation? So much unhappy. I lost everything. So he just went to Maharaj house, Dasrath Maharaj palace. Maharaj is there just crying, Ram, 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 like that. When Maharaj saw Sumantra came, Sumantra did pranam, Jai Jeev, Jai Ho Maharaj. Dasrath saying, Ram came, Lakhan came, Vaidehi came, but chariot is empty. That time Dasrath Maharaj looking to Kausalya Devi and saying, Devi, my time is came. Sumantra all katha saying, Prabhu, Ramchandra said to me, say to my father pranam and tell my father no feel any sad, no feel any bad. 14 years nothing. This will go and I will return Ajodhya. So just keep patience. Lakshman something telling, but Ramchandra said, don't say to my father anything about that. Then Dasrath Maharaj saying one story. When I was young age, one Rishi Kumar, his name is Shravan Kumar. Is too much service to his parents. His parents old and blind. He carrying in 2 baskets and taking to one place to another place, holy places. So one day he came Ajodhya's area and Sarju's bank, he keeping that basket somewhere and going for water. And Dasharatha Maharaj, learning to Shabda Bhedi arrows, by sound can shoot. Any sound. So when he feeling water, that time he shoot and that hit to this Rishi Kumar's chest. What called? And he's too much sound making. Dasharatha Maharaj so much scared when then looking by mistake I killed one Rishi Kumar. He whole story telling before leaving body he give this water saying give me my parents this water. When they saw Dasharatha no speaking anything asking who are you? My son come he must telling something doing pranam. Then Dasharatha Maharaj say I did this mistake. Take this water, but they not took or they curse me. How I'm living by my son's suppression, my body, this way will one day die. You also get this type of suppression from your son. And he will die. So Devi discards to this present. I'm long living, but no more. Ha Raghunandan prana pirite, tum bin jiyat bahut din bit. हा जानकी हा लखन हा जानकी रघुबर हा प्रिय हित चित चातक जल. That time Dasharatha Maharaj so much crying, just saying, Ha Raghunandan, Ha Raghav, Ha Ram, you are my life and soul, you are my conscious of conscious. Without you I living many days, but no more. Ha Lakshman, Ha Janki, Ha Raghubar, again repeating, Ram, Ram kahi, Ram kahi, Ram, Ram kahi, Ram, Tanu parihar Raghubar birah Rao gayo. Again Dasharatha Maharaj lamenting, Ram, 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 and left. He went to heaven. Because after Dasharatha Maharaj came this another kathas. When Vasishtha Muni heard and all Ajodhyavasi heard, light of Raghuvansh dynasty, son of Raghuvansh dynasty already set. All are crying. All Ajodhyavasi are moving to Kaikai. Kuch steps is just give to us so much pain. Nicely staying, she is queen, but today she become widow. Vasishtha Muni came and this Maharaj's body putting one big pot of oil and sent to Dut passengers to Bharat Maharaj, where they stayed to Mama's house, or called uncle house, no? Uncle, Mama. And Dut's very fast went there. Bharat looking not good. Symptom, night time very bad dream. Ajodhya so unhappy. All are unhappy. I don't know what is that. Dut when said, Gurudev is calling you. No more asking, just order of Gurudev immediate came Ajodhya. When enters Ajodhya, looking all are sad. All publics are walking, here they are just doing pranam, but not telling Bharat anything. But every face he can understand, all are very unhappy or they are not proper behaving. Could not realize what is going on. When Bharat Maharaj came more closer, when Kaikai heard, Mantra said, Bharat is coming, nicely welcome. She is carrying artis and ready to welcome. Bharat Maharaj went to that place, Kaikai's welcome. Bharat Maharaj did pranam and asking, why Ajodhya is unhappy? Where's my father? Where's my brother? Where's my Sita Devi? Why Lakshman? He's all asking. Then Kaikai saying, everything nice, no problem, only one problem. I nicely did everything, but one I could not protect, that was your father, he left. When Bharat heard my father left, why left? It's like faint, unconscious. Again wake up and crying, Father, Father. Before going, why not you take my hand and put Ram's hand? Before going, you must give some instruction. No, stay under Ram, and Ram is your father, Ram is everything. This body tell, then I can happily stay with it. Not say anything to me on just departure. Then asking, where's my Ram? Where's Lakshman? Where's Vaidehi? Kaikes no, like so hard, like a stone, or saying they went forest. This is the cause they went forest, and you getting 14 years kingdom. You getting forever kingdom of Ajodhya. So Ramchandra going 14 years forest. This is my benediction. I did for you everything. Bharat hearing this and too much crying. What is going? My brother is Ram, Lakshman. My father is Dasat Maharaj. Ajodhya's palace, world famous. I all get nicely. But why my mother is like that? But creators, what creating, which thing, where throw, very hard to tell. Now how I can prove I am nice? If I say I am nice, then who can believe my word? Is some creeper of poisons or dead fruits say I am okay, I am not poison. Anyone can believe? Eat dead fruits who grow from poisonous creeper. So poisonous fruit becoming poison. So I cannot prove like that I am nice person. Bharat very angry or no like to again see Kaike's face. Just telling, where's my mother, Kausalya? I want to go her palace. Because see, without Ram, how we stay? Her Ram is life and soul. So Bharat Maharaj like to see her mother. So walk to Kausalya mother place. Satrughna also walking. At that time, so mantra. See, so nicely decorating. Nice necklace putting, nice sarees putting, earring, nose ring, kajal, all decoration. She very ugly, like sea monkey, but nicely dressing and asking to Kaikai, everything ready, everything okay, present, this, that. When Satrughna heard, saw her, so angry that time he cannot control, and by feet very strongly hitting her back, kicking. And mantra dropped on ground and start to crying, shouting, Ha daya mai kaha bigara, karat nek aisan phal bhava. What I did wrong, what I did wrong. I did everything nicely, but this fruit came. When Satrughna heard, looking, she's really from toe to head, full of sin, full of amangal, unauspicious, still talking. So Satrughna grabbing and dragging. And she so much crying. That time Bharat saw and immediately stopped to Satrughna. Stop, don't kill her. He was dragging her. If you beat her, kill her, or Ramchandra when hurt, then he never see our face. Because I know Ramchandra's nature from heart, from any way, he no like give anyone problem. Just leave. Then Bharat went to Kausalya mother place and did pranam. Kausalya mother took to Bharat on lap and embracing, crying. That time Bharat's no word to tell. Just looks how is Ram mother's nature, character. I am cause, whose cause Ram went to forest, but mother's no remembering. She looks, my Ram came. This way, affection showing to Bharat. That time Bharat so much feel same sigh. What I can say to mother, because I am becoming now king, Ram going forest. So mother must think this is Bharat plan. Bharat want this thing. That time Bharat too much promising. himself giving, no? Safai.
In the name of.
Like,
Promise in the name of.
the safai means, like clearing, clarifying. Mother, whole world, whole type sins, what exist. If I support this thing, then all sin affect to me. Any type who killing to parents, who killing to gurus, who killing to cows, who is speaking lie, who doing nonsense, who drinking, eating, this, that, many all sin. This all sin come to me. Bharat, many pros. Saying, Kausalya mother saying, Bharat, don't tell like this make me more hurt. I know your nature. You never become against to Ramchandra. This is time, no, this all. What can I say? That time Vasishtha Munis and all publics are, and all ministers are trying to make Bharat king, because without king, how can stay Ajodhya Vasi? How can rule properly? This is the rule. No king, then some must be king. So publics and Gurudev saying, oh, Maharaj directly gave you kingdom. This is order of Maharaj. Before departing, this was order. Bharat become king or Ram go to forest. So by paramparas, you are now king. Bharat Maharaj saying it's not parampara. This is against to paramparas. You are my guru. And Gurudev said, but tell that time nothing to cross. But some situation, no, when too much pain, suffer, uncomfortable, that time no dharma, no that time crossing that word or speaking something. So I am something speaking because rule of Raghubans, who are elder brother, he become king. Ram have all qualities, all qualification. My Prabhu has everything. So he is the king of Ajodhya. I am servant of Ramchandra. I have not this type qualities. I am son of Kaikai. Who can believe to me like this? Too much himself criticized. So I want satisfied to my Prabhu. For that, I want to go visit him in forest. So tomorrow, we all collect Abhishek items, all type of holy places, water, and all types of metals, gold, diamond, silver, these all auspicious things, and go to forest and give to Ram, return to his kingdom, his thing, his place. When hearing all Ajodhya Vasi, they feel very happy. Oh, then saying Bharat were really very nice. Yes, someone say, Kaikai's son, how can be like that? But this is not meaning. See, if snake carrying money, some snake has money, but that money is staying snake place. But that money never take snake's sin on his any bad qualities. Money fully separate. Coming from snake, but that money who keep, he give jewels. That jewel give to auspicious to that person. So your money, okay, Kaikai's what? That is Kaikai's things, but you are not like that. You're not taking Kaikai's any qualities. You are like money. Like snake's money, jewels never take a snake any bad or any sin. It's fully de-attachment. Detachment. So that night Ajodhya was not sleeping. All are thinking how quickly we morning and we can go to forest to see to my Prabhu. So when morning quickly they wake up, taking bath, everything ready. All mothers want to go, all Ajodhya Vasi want to go, Gurudev want to go, Guru Mother want to go. So Bharat Maharaj arranged for everyone palkin because they how can go no. Some chariot, some horses, all Ajodhya's armies all start to walk. Bharat Maharaj before that arrangement to everything's niceness person keeping Ajodhya's to take care because this is Prabhu's things, no lost, no lose. All our mother are sitting palkin, Gurudev sitting palkin, Guru Mother Arundhati sitting palkin. Some are horse, some are chariot, and Bharat and Shatrugna are walking by feet. Because Bharat is no deity of bhaktis. This is the way you go to see your Prabhu. Don't show your opulence, no. Be so humble. Tirnadapi Sunij. Because my Prabhu going without shoes, empty feet, walking. And I sit on chariot and go to visit. This is Sevak Dharmas. But Kausalya mothers saying, Bharat, you do like that, then many public do like that. They also start to walk. They are so weak because they are so much in suppression. So they become more problem. So mother requesting and Gurudev requesting, then Bharat sitting some horse or some. This way start to walk. First day they went to bank of Tamsas river, rest. Next day again they start to walk. Sringverpur, where is Nisad Raj Gu was staying. Gu also returned after Chitrakoot, staying there. But when heard, now Bharat is coming. But Bharat coming different way. He is collecting many armies, many elephant, horses, chariot. What is this? If you like to Ram Darshan, then very simple way can go take Darshan. But what is this big arrangement? Because when Kaikai asked this type of introduction, then who don't know nature of Bharat, there's some feel doubt. But actually Bharat is not doubt person. No. Who feel like that his luck is not good or some. But Nisad is no, Ram Bhakt, Ram friends. So he's thinking he cross here and go make problem to Ramchandra. Before that we will stop this person. This is the bhakti of Sauram. So he's saying all boatsmen, every boat sink in water, Ganges. Don't give any transport, which way Bharat cross. And we will see who is he, what he want. Everything okay, then I will indicate this way all work. And he also called to all coal wheels, saying 2 days, I whole life never ask anything, but 2 days your Swamis, some work came. But that is already. Bring your arrow, bow, sword, everything, and prepare. When I just indicate, all attack. Then all are saying, Prabhu, don't worry. Just your order, we will cut them like carrot or like this. They're very. Then Nisad saying, okay, now sound some drum, some instrument, fighting sound, fighting rag, melody. Because war time, fight time, some music sound like fighting rag, fighting melodies. Military band. When Nisad telling like this, everyone putting cloth in breast or like this preparing, that time one person sneeze, chikna, sneeze. Then some are saying, yes, good sneeze, we will victory. Then one old man say, yes, because this is saying, don't quickly take any decision. First think, then after do decision. So my calculation is saying, this sneeze is saying, without knowing, don't be doubtful. First find out what is Bharat want, why is coming. So Nisadaraj took some people, some fruits, some forest things like gift and came to Bharat place. I did pranam and offering this thing. Saying we are staying forest, you are my guest. And this is like. So Vasisht Muni know Vasisht Muni know Nisadaraj, this Guha. So he said to Bharat, his friend of Ramchandra, very close devotees of Ram. When heard from Guru's mouth, Bharat running. Nisad like to pranam, but before that Bharat embraced to him and saying, "You are very auspicious person because Ramchandra embraced to you. My Prabhu embraced you. How you are lucky. So I like embrace you and I also like to purify." Before Ramchandra also embraced, no, Ati Adham Nisad se Prabhu Bharat jev urlai. So Bharat embracing to Nisad Rajan, crying. That time Nisad understood what is Ram Prem. Then his right night they are all are staying Sringverpur. Bharat moving to that area and asking to Nisad, "Where my Prabhu first night, first day sleep here? Which place? You can tell me." Then took this one banyan trees. There's some grass, which was asan, which was bed where Ram Sita Devi slept. Bharat looking that place doing pranam. Also there can find some small stars, small no clothes things, Sita Devi's, some thread something. And Bharat taking this, putting on eyes on head and crying and saying, "This is my Prabhu's sleeping place, who sleep Ajodhya's big bed like this and sleeping like that. Why Vidhata create to me? If I not take birth, then no this type problem come to my Prabhu. So my birth is the no all problems." This type so much crying. Nisa saying, "Prabhu, don't say like that. You came for so to this world Ram Bhaktis, how to do Ram Bhakti." So he doing that area pranam, parikarmas, and too much love affection. So because this place, my Prabhu's place, is staying place. No, this morning they crossed to Ganga, came to Bhardwaj Muni's ashram. Same way Ram, which way going this way, Bharat is coming. Bhardwaj Muni welcome, very nicely welcome. He's showing on, see this. Bharat's coming with whole armies and many peoples. They are Ajodhya's public. They're staying in nice facilities. They came in forest. So he said to all forest trees, "You are my friends, you are my bandhus." So everyone saw on power. These all trees, all demigods, according to desire of Bhardwaj Muni, they make nice palace in forest. And all facilities is there. All type food, all type things, Also dance party, this, that, what possibility, everything Bhardwaj Muni doing. Bharat that night not taking any of these things, because he's just a present to Ram. But Ajodhya's public, whose nature, some enjoying, this all looking, feel very happy. Morning, they walk, went to Valmiki's ashrams like this, and then after find out Ramchandra somewhere this area is staying, then Bharat Maharaj, before that Ganga's pranam and asking, "Devi, you are lotus feet of Vishnu's, lotus feet water, Jal, you are so transcendental, so powerful. Or I heard who do pranam you, who take bath you, and who ask from you, you fulfill his desire. So I have some desire. I have only one desire, no anything else. अर्थ न धर्म न काम रुचि गति न चाहूं निर्माण जन्म जन्म रति राम पद यह वरदान नहा सीता राम चरण रति मोरे अनुदिन बाढ़ अनुग्रह तो." He give me this much type benediction mercies. Sita Ram lotus feet, my bhakti is forever stay. I don't want dharma, arth, kam and moksha. I life and life bond be servant of Ramchandra. Lotus feet of Ramchandra. So this the Bharat praying, and after said to all public, he stays somewhere nearby this area, and himself on took to Satrughna and some people on going to see first Ramchandra. In deep forest, Ramchandra's Prabhu's ashram somewhere, how can find out? In Valmiki Ramayana mentioning, Bharat saw somewhere smoke coming. Then he realized this area is my Prabhu is staying. Otherwise, why smoke coming? So this is some Uti Samashram. Some Kolbhil, they already message passed to Ramchandra, Bharat is coming. Also Sita Devi that night looked some dream and saying to Ramchandra, I saw dream, Bharat is so unhappy, he's so skinny and he's so much crying, he's coming to here, like to visit. Then Ramchandra little disturbed, Bharat is coming, so what I will do? For me big problem. First, father's order is stay in forest, this thing I follow. If Bharat say return to Ajodhya, that thing follow. Because Bharat love and affection so strong, I cannot cross to that. Also father's birth is strong. So Ramchandra that time too much thinking. And Lakshman saying, Prabhu don't think your Lakshman is still alive. This Bharat not did small things, so much doing. His plan is big plan. First plan he become king. Now he making another big plan. He's thinking 14 years when finish or Ram return Ajodhya. Then he asked, return my kingdom. So he's thinking before asking, go on arrangement. So he came here. He's thinking you are alone. This guy is collecting so much armies. Or he try to finish you forever. But he forget there is Lakshman. So today I will show Bharat what is Lakshman. I long time keeping this all angry, all hate, all jealous. Today all hate, all jealous, all angry I will show him. And son of Kaikas, if he run away from here, then he will protect. Otherwise I will finish to him. First he is saying some Nitish thing, but after become Birras. Then Ramchandra is saying, and sky's son also came. Lakshman, what you saying? Everything possible. But Ram said, before telling, you think. Sahasa kari pache pachtahi kahahi ved budte bud nahi. Someone immediate take actions, and after doing wrong thing and then lamenting what I did, this type person, Shastras and Vedas, or any intelligent people not saying he is qualified. Lakshman, he could not understood Bharat. I know who is Bharat. That time Ramchandra Sambad said to Lakshman, Lakshman तुम्हारे सपत पितु आना सुचि सुबंधु नहीं भरत समान. Lakshman, just this word you understand. I promise to Father Dasharatha Maharaj. I love you too much, I like too much my father, but I promise both on true things saying, in this world, like Bharat, this type purified, pure, no any hypocrisy, no any duplicity, no any cheating. This type brother you cannot find all over world. Suchi Subandhu nahi Bharat Saman. That time Lakshman little feel shy what I spoke, but anyhow already spoke. That time Bharat came, Lakshman, Satrughna's with Bharat, and both are outside Kutiyas. Ramchandra is sitting one asans, many rishis munis are sitting, and some katha is going. Lakshman is stand up and something talking with Lakshman. Lakshman is something answering, folding hand. At that time Lakshman realized Bharat came. He saw. But problem for him, what he do? He doing Prabhu's seva, or immediately he meet to Bharat, then he lose that moment seva, that prayer. So I do seva and I visit to Bharat. So Lakshman more giving bed to seva. He realized Bharat doing pranam something, but Ram Prabhu not so. It's little another way distance. That time Lakshman said to Prabhu, Prabhu, Bharat is doing pranam. Bharat came. Just this sound. When Ramchandra heard, Uthi Ram suni prem adhira. Bharat, when doing pranam, like stick, pahi kahi nath pai gosai, bhutal pare lakut ki nai. Hey Nath, hey Gosai, protect me, protect me. This way Bharat, what called?
Praying.
No, calling, no, lamenting. And his hand on ground like a stick like keep on like this, immediate, like done. And those two birds, Hey Nath, hey Gosai, Pahi Nath kahi Pahi Gosai, protect me, help me. When Ramchandra heard this bird, in this sound, so much affection, so much love, Uthe Ram suni prem adhira, kahu pat kahu nisang dhanu tira. Ramchandra that time stand up immediate, so much love. When standing very fast, then his clothes drop somewhere. His arrow drops somewhere, his bow drops somewhere. Where which thing dropping, he could not remind, nor remember, just jumping, running, flying, and catch to Bharat. I'm racing to Bharat. Bharat like to ground and rolling on dust. Or Ramchandra saying, you are DT of Prema. Prema never rolling on dust. So he's immediate, putting in chest, I'm racing. And by that embrace, by that affection, by this hurry, Bharat realized my Prabhu's house, affection for me. Because love and enemy, he cannot hide. So both sides, how much each other love, both brothers, by that symptom, by that mood can realize Bharat house or Ramchandra's house. So Bhagwan and Bhakta both start to fight, who how much love. But always Bhaktas Bhagwan giving victories. His love, his things, his minimized and Bhaktas more. When Ramchandra had all Ajodhya's public mother, Gurudevs came, they keep to Satrughna there and quickly went, visit to them, bring to there. This all kathas. That time, they just meeting each other, pranams. When Bharat said to all kathas and also said father departure, that time Ramchandra so much crying. He went to bank of Mandakini river and there did some srad. This forest things, some type of igudis, that fruits make some srad things, because this is the rule, what I eat, this thing I can offer. So Ramchandra is not in king in Ajodhya, so what they are available, that way did srad. Kausalya mother when coming, then looking this thing all and saying, my son, where is stay or now what is situation? He cannot properly do anything. So they each other, what tell, not tell, just. And after some times, also Janak Maharaj came. All together thinking, Gurudev, Bharat and Janak Maharaj discussing what to do, asking Bharat's opinion. Bharat Maharaj saying, I like to give Ram kingdom, I like to return to Ramchandra, and me and Satrughna like to go forest. This is one option. Another option, Sita Ram go to Ajodhya, Bharat, Lakshman, and Satrughna go to forest. Otherwise, all go to Ajodhya, Sita, Lakshman, Satrughna, and me or Ram go to forest. Otherwise, Lakshman return to Ajodhya, me, Ram, and Sita go to forest. It's many options. What to do now? That time demigods scared. Bharat came. If Ram returned, then all plan failed. They sang to Saraswati, go. and make Bharat like what you did Mantras and Kaikai, this way something do for Bharat. Saraswati is saying, I have not that much power. Bharat, no. Soberness, Bharat, no. Character is like oceans. Is intelligent, is no. Patience like ocean. And small chamach and tell to that spoon tell if these oceans make empty, just throw all water. So I can bewild it, but bewilding to Bharat, this is out of my power. I cannot. Then Brihaspati is just starting demigod saying, don't be like that. Bharat is not this type personality. What will happen? This nice. Bharat never make pressure to Ramchandra. So Ramchandra what want? This will happen. So just keep patience. When assembly came, what to do, not do, too much thinking. That time Ramchandra saying, my Bharat, what will tell, I will do that. I giving all power to Bharat. What his desire? Bharat big desire, he want to give him kingdom and return to Ajodhya. But same time Bharat also thinking what I want, this is good for Ram or not? My Prabhu like this or not? If what I like this way I do, this is not also bhakti. So Bharat becomes what to do. Then ultimately Bharat said to Ramchandra Prabhu, Prabhu, what you want? This order to Bharat. I am your Das. I came here, just show my no fault. I am not like that. But how much you give me love, affection, so my all heart things gone, I pacify. I'm not so much now like this. So now what you will tell, I will follow. Before I too much thinking, this will do, that will do. By your love, by your behavior, everything gone. Then Ramchandra Prabhu said, Bharat, for which promise father left, I came, which order of father in forest. We are 4 brothers. Or our father's one order, Ram stay 14 years in forest. So this thing is support. Otherwise, we will not follow father word, then what people thinks on what ourselves we will satisfy. So sons' duties follow to father's word. So now I'm telling you return to Ajodhya because this is very hard for you. But what I can do, some bad time come, then like some attack you, then your hand is stopping to that. Everyone like one body, one hand, but some bad time, then that hand using we are to stop any attack, any fight, any problem. So now I'm urging you, stop this problem. Be my helper. Help, then I can happily stay in forest and follow to father. So Bharat realized Ramchandra want to go to Ajodhya. Okay, 4-5 days Bharat moving that Chitrakoot, taking all darshan, Prabhu's order, asking Prabhu, I will go, but some like darshan, or this Abhishek things. Then Atri Muni and Valmiki, someone said this Abhishek things, put this bell. There's one bell, no, that called Bharatpur. So Bharat now will return Ajodhya, but empty hand, something want, support some, no, which way Bharat can stay 14 years. So Bharat, one wooden shoes gave to Ramchandra Prabhu that decorated by gold is brought for Abhishek, saying Prabhu own lotus feet, put on this shoes. Make power, give on power that dust. That I put my head and take to Ajodhya. This will sit asan. One is Sita, one is Ram. They become our king 14 years and I take every day order them and this way I will just do like servant. When Bharat lamenting like that, if no gives some, अब लम क्या बोलते हैं
symbol, gift,
some support, no, some sahara.
proof, support.
Then how I can stay 14 years? 14 staying needs some, no, support. So प्रभु करी कृपा पावरी दीनी सादर भरत शीस धर लीनी चरण पीठ करुणा निधान के जनु जुग जामी का प्रजा प्राण के. Prabhu by mercies give this shoes, and Bharat took this on head, came to Ajodhya, putting on Singhasan, worshipping, our own self staying in Nandigrams, Ajodhya's any bhogs, anything Bharat not touching, he just take some fruits, some kandmul, which were Ramchandra eating in forest. He also make jatas, dreadlock, and Nandigrams, he's digging earth, maybe 10, 20 foot down, is staying and sleeping. No on ground, saying, Prabhu sleeping ground, I cannot sleep same level, I have to go down level. So this way is showing to Bhaktis, and this side Ramchandra Prabhu's, after Chitrakoot, so much their public, Rishi Muni coming, he went more deep forest, Dankaranya, their bank of Godavari is making kutis, and there's many Rishis Munis, especially Agast Muni stayed that area, visit to them. Make friend to Jatayu. Jatayu, his father's no friend, so he's also same area staying Gir Jatayus. So there, Ram, Lakshman, Sita Devi staying. So beautiful that place, nice rivers, no Godavris floating, and many type flowers, many type fruits, so nice, many deers are jumping, so nice. No? So Ramchandra is showing this all Sita Devi's beauties, and how time going they don't know. It's many their kavya mentioning, no? Banani toyani chanetra kalpe puspe sarojes chanali nabringe parasparam bichvanti lakshmim alokya chakru iva adarena. Like trees through on flowers looking to rivers, that flowers eyes of trees, a river looking by lotus eyes to trees, on each other beauties too much glorifying. So Ramchandra, when this all katha said to Sita Devis, they feel happy. Lakshmana is doing sevas. Also Ramchandra many bhaktis thing tell to Lakshmana many. That time one lady's name is Surpanakha, sister of Raman, so cruel, nature like a snake. She suddenly saw to Ram, or when she so lost herself, so much bewildered, and she, no Maya herself so nicely changed, become so beautiful lady. She was very ugly, but by Maya become so beautiful, and came to front to Ramchandra and saying, Tuma sama purusa, namo sama nari. In this world, like you, no man, or like me, no woman. So Brahma's creation, success by these two couple making, you and me. This cause I am not married, just staying long time. Actually, her was husband, no marriage, everything, but lying to Ramchandra, saying I am also not married, waiting for you. Because this is no Brahma's creation for you, me and you. So, what is so? Accept me like wife. Why accepting these ladies? It's so ugly, no look good, stomach is like oceans, like many types start to telling. Actually, herself telling her character and how she is. But she's hired no by Maya. The Ramchandra said, I have wife, but Lakshman, if you want, can go there. Then went like 5 minutes before saying, like you may know this world, but in 5 minutes after she changed, and again telling to Lakshman, like you and me know this world. Then Lakshman saying, yes, but my position very down. I am servant of Ramchandra. See, marriage to me, nothing get any facilities. He become Dasi. So why not become queen? because my Purus Ajodhya's king, so he marries to him, then good facility will get. So again she came to Ram, saying, oh, now I understood. This lady's problem. So she are taking to Sita Devi, like, now I will take breakfast, and then everything solved. That time Ramchandra indicated to Lakshman, cut to nose and ear, and she started so much crying. Before that, Ramchandra said to Sita Devi, now my Leela different way going. You hide in fire, and just one duplicate Sita's no manifest. This Lakshman don't know, he went to forest bringing something, or that and this all plan. So she went to Khardusan Trisala crying. They came and attacked to Ramchandra. They're so powerful. 14,000 armies, Ramchandra in 5 seconds. 5 minutes, everything destroyed. Each other looking, each other Ram, and each other fighting, killing each other. So they all killed. Surpanakha understood. He went to Lanka. She went and telling to Raman, just drinking and eating and sleeping. You don't know anything else. Khayasi swasi piyasi karasi pan swasi din rati. Your head enemies dancing. She's crying. No? Sang te jati kumantra te raja man te gyan pan te laja. She's talking many rajnitis. Sannyas is not proper associate, then destroy. If no proper rule regulation follow, then kings destroy. If bad, advice, if minister giving bad advice or king follow that, then he destroy. Gyan is too much pride, then destroy. A drunkard when drink, then he losing same everything like this. So many people, so you have all these all bad things, just drinking or this or that. So he said, Ram thinks he killed to your all Khardusan Tisra, is making big problem. That time Raman's, what to do? He just thinking, saying to Surpanakha, go, you don't know my power, I will see them. But inside he's scared. Because when heard, who killed to Khardusan Tisra, they are never less than me. Khardusan Mosam Balvanta Tehi ki Marahi Binu Bhagavanta. These ordinary demigods scare my name. Rama, Indra, Kuber, Varun, air, fire. Anyone, he cannot touch my any small servant. If they had their servant of Raman, they cannot. But who killed to Khardusan Trisra is not ordinary. So that means Bhagwan came. Surranjan Bhanjan Mahibhara, Jo Prabhu Lina Avatara. If Bhagwan came this world, giving to demigods pleasure, giving to Rishis Munis happiness, if really he came, then I have to make him more angst, more enemy. Because I am so tamogunis, I cannot do sadhan bhajan. My sadhan, my tapasyas, only one, be more angry against enemy, and then he come and kill me, and this way I purify. So he came marriage place and telling to marriage did pranam. Marriage so much scared, Raman pranam to me, but sometime if you have need some help, some support, then anyone do pranam. Namni नीच के अति दुखदाई. Low person when putting head down, that means he gives so much pain. When arrows come out or coming down, that means shoot. It's many things saying, no? If Namni नीच के अति दुखदाई. Low person when head put down, that means he doing some plan, some make problem. So Marich understood Ramana do pranam means he have big plan. Then he said, go, he become gold deers and bewildered to them. And I will kidnap to Sita's. I heard she has one beautiful lady's life. Marich know who is Ram, because when he was Baksar, Tadkas know, his families know. So said that time Ram left me, just one small arrow shooting, no, and no killing to me. Just throw from there. But from that day, everywhere I looking just Ram, Ram, Ram. I too much scared. On who's saying you make Ram enemy, who giving this type of advice? If anyone telling, he's your big enemy. Don't make him enemy. Because his power, he has so much weapons. Vishwamitra give him many, many astras. How much he have weapons? This world nothing exists anywhere. So he cannot defeat to him. Raman saying, don't give me instruction like Guru. Then Marich understood, if I more talk, then I cannot reach to Ramchandra place. He will kill me. So this side die or that side die, which side dead? Saying better die Ram, because I go and make him problem, bewildered, he come behind me and again I can see him. His beauty, his darshan, this way leave my body. So he become deer, golden deers. Came to near Godavari, where Sita Devi is staying Ram's ashrams. Sita Devi saw this Mirga so decorated, so much art on his skin, no? So Sita Devi is saying, if this skin be get, nice asan. And whole life never saw this type deer. So when Sita Devi desire came, Ramchandra said, Devi, just wait, in 5 minutes I bring. I'm going to shoot him, but he running here, there. Ram said to Lakshman, just stay here. Ram going a long distance after his shoot, and he, before leaving body, ha Lakshman, ha Sita. Then Sita Devi is saying, your brother in trouble. Lakshman saying, never. My brother is not like that. Never get trouble. Because you don't know. Then Sita Devi, oh, now I understand what your plan. So when Sita Devi dot, then Lakshman, what can do? Make one circle by arrows that called Lakshman Rekha. A went. That time Raman came, Jogi banke aaye Raman, Panchvati jahan Sita. हाथ है कमंडल बगल मृग छाला मुख से राम राम जपता रहे. Is duplicate sadhus putting kamandlus mृग छाlas and Ram 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 chanting, making Sita so much faith for him. When Sita giving something, then saying, come out of this line, because under line I'm not taking bhichas. Then after Raman saw his real Swarup and what happened, this all kathas, Sita's kidnap and Jatau fight. Then Ramchandra so much crying. Then meet to Jatau, meet to Sabris, go to Sugrivs, then to Lankas, kill to Rama, return to Ajodhya. This one more kathas he will hear next Sunday. That is last kathas, Ram kathas. Then after another kathas we will hear.
You said that last week.
So Bharat Maharaj, this all you heard, this is how his character is. Nandigram doing this side bhajan, Ramchandra other side doing leelas, and this is Munis giving to auspicious. जाके प्रिय ने राम वैदेही तजे ताहि कोटि बैरी समझद पी परम सनेही तजो पिता प्रहलाद विभीषण बंधु भरत महतारी बलि गुरु तजो कांत ब्रज बनितन भय मुद मंगल. Who have no so much love and affection for Ram and Sita Devis, they anyone as much near dear live to them. So this all lives no for serve to Prabhus. So Bharat Maharaj in Nandigrams just waiting 14 years and chanting some name, and all situation he know. One sant, one devotee's nature, every situation they look favorable, no? So this bhajan we will sing. Sitaram, Sitaram, Sitaram kahiye, चाहे विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए. सीताराम 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 कहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए. मुख में हो राम नाम राम सेवा हाथ में, तू नहीं अकेले प्यारे राम तेरे साथ में. मुख में हो राम नाम राम सेवा हाथ में, तू नहीं अकेले प्यारे राम तेरे. विधि का विधान जान हानि लाभ सही है. विधि का विधान जान हानि लाभ सही है. जय विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रही है. सीताराम सीता सीताराम। जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि, किया अभिमान तो फिर मान नहीं पाएगा, होगा वही जो श्री राम जी को भाएगा। किया अभिमान तो फिर मान नहीं पाएगा, होगा वही जो श्री राम जी को भाएगा। फल आशा त्याग शुभ कर्म करते रहिए, फल आशा त्याग शुभ कर्म करते रहिए, जय विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए। सीताराम 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 कहिए, जय विधि राखे राम। जिंदगी की डोर सौंप हाथ दीनानाथ के, महलों में राखे चाहे झोपड़ी में बास दे। जिंदगी के डोर सौंप हाथ दीनानाथ के, महलों में राखे चाहे झोपड़ी में बास। निर्विवाद धन्यवाद राम राम कहिए, धन्यवाद निर्विवाद राम राम कहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम। सीताराम 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 कहिए, जय विधि राखे राम ताहि। सीताराम 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 कहिए, जय विधि राखे राम ताहि। आशा एक राम जिसे तुझे आशा छोड़ दे, नाता एक राम जिसे तुझा नाता तोड़ दे। आशा एक राम जिसे तुझे आशा छोड़ दे, नाता एक राम जिसे तुझा नाता छोड़। साधु संग राम रंग अंग अंग रंगिए, साधु संग राम रंग अंग अंग रंगिए, काम रस त्याग प्यारे राम रस पगिए। सीताराम 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 कहिए, जय विधि राखे राम ताहि। सीताराम 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 कहिए, जय विधि राखे